Hello, it's me again, Maureen. Today I'm going to share an example with you all about stomach cancer. If you've been following my Bazi Health series, you should know that the stomach belongs to the earth element in the 5 elements theory, if earth is our unfavorable element. When our earth element is out of balance, whether it's too much or too little every day, that's considered imbalanced. Our health will start to have problems. So who is this case about? It's Liao Qizhi. Let's first take a look at his Bazi chart. He was born on April 7th, 1954. 1954 is the year of Jia Wu. The month is Wu Chen month. The day is Guasi Day. We can't see the hour pillar in these 3 columns. Water from? Metal. Metal unseen. Earth element month strong. Fire strong too. So fire will also strengthen earth. That's why his water element is very weak. So he belongs to the category of weak water. For weak water, the first useful god must be metal, because metal generates water. The second useful god is water. The element to avoid is wood, which water creates. Water overcomes fire. Third, it's the other way around. That is, earth overcomes his water. We can see that at age 39 and 49, both of these luck cycles were very good for him. This is the Renshen luck cycle. This is a metal luck cycle. Next comes the Guayu luck cycle. That's also a metal luck cycle. But when he reached the luck cycle at age 59, during the Jiasu luck cycle, that's when his health actually already started having problems, because this Su is earth. Su clashes with Chen, Chen-Su clash. So what happens when Chen and Su clash? It makes the earth even more stirred up. This earth is his unfavorable element. We often say, when the unfavorable element gets clashed, it's wholly inauspicious spirit being activated by clash, and the dominant spirit becomes even stronger. Earth element powerful. The water was weak. And if it gets clashed here again, with earth being so strong, the water becomes even weaker. There's no water left to support, and no metal to support either. In December 2020, which was last December, he noticed his stomach felt a bit bloated, not very comfortable, so he went for a checkup. It turned out he had stomach cancer. At that time, it was the Gengzi year and Wuzi month. The Gengzi year happened to clash with his Jia element as well. Jia and Gun clash. Zi and Wu clash. In 2020, actually, he should have carried an ox with him, because the ox and the rat are friends. He could play with it, so it wouldn't clash with his jaw. Later, it dragged on until March 28, 2021. At 8:32 in the evening, he passed away from stomach cancer. Looking at the time, it was during the Su hour, and Su clashes with Chen. So it's a Chen-Su clash. That's why, many times, in Bazi, the 8 characters, on the year pillar, we can see it. Just now I mentioned the year 2020. They said he was diagnosed then, but if you think back to 2019, it was the Jihai year, Hai and Si. Si and Hai also clash. Originally, there was water. But who knew even the water couldn't help him, because the fire was just too strong. Hai couldn't help him at all. Then in 2020, there was a Jiagung clash and a Ziwu clash as well. Moving on to 2021, it was the Xianqiu year. There was Zhou, there was Su, there was Su, there was earth. Earth elements. If earth is the bad element, we have to be especially careful, because earth represents the cells in our body, If the cells belong to the earth element, and earth is also our unfavorable element, we have to be especially careful. There's a chance of developing cancer, and earth also represents the spleen and stomach, so it's stomach cancer. Bazi, heavenly stems and earthly branches. Bazi chart and analyze luck cycles. My Bazi BB class teaches all of this. If you want to know which of the 5 elements your internal organs belong to, which element they're associated with, my Bazi Health course, I can teach everyone. Let everyone know our body's different internal organs. What is its relationship with the 5 elements? They are closely related. There was also Master Lu Hangley Bazi course, Feng Shui applications and advanced Feng Shui. If everyone is interested, click the link above. What courses did you see? What you like? Click to enter. You can then purchase the course at home in comfort. You can take your time to review and attend classes. Keep reviewing continuously. You will definitely achieve results. Hope to see everyone in class. Goodbye.